What's going on YouTube? Here to show you guys one of the latest awesome reels on the market today. This is the KastKing RLE. You guys can see it pretty well there. Better look at it. It's an awesome reel, guys. It's an 8:1 ratio. This is the one that I got. The one that starts at 5.4, I believe, is blue. So they're all color coded based on the gear ratios on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description if you guys want to check it out as well. It's got this one, like I said, it's got 8:1 gear ratio, so it's a really fast reel. I was using it for speed worming, so I've got it on my 7.3 Speed Demon worming rod. Check it out too, guys.
It's a nice one on the RLE.
And yeah, it's a really good overall reel. I've got 25-pound Cast Pro on here, and basically all we were doing was throwing it in the pads, dragging it on top, and then kind of yo-yoing it in between pads and stuff like that.
Got one.
It's a really good rod for that.
Ooh. Another thing I really like about this reel is it's got the ergo twist, I believe it is called, something like that. And you can just easily open to unlock it and close your reel back up again. So that way you can just keep dust and water and anything out, and you don't have to worry about it coming open because you can lock it and close. And it's also got the adjusters on the same side here on this little knob. So it's really nice, compact, low profile reel. I really like it for bass fishing. Unfortunately, I don't think it's rated for saltwater, but I might use it anyways. But I highly recommend it for some overall anything for bass fishing. I like a faster reel in general, just because I fish artificials a lot, weightless a lot, stuff like that. So if you like it, check it out. I have a link for everything below. If you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the giveaway of 5,000 subscribers, guys, because I'm still doing it.